Well, in Kampala, buli omu ayogerako the new digital car number plates. That sounds cool, right? But my question is, are these car number plates really digital? By the way, West always fanana. Yeah, and then the old ones, those either analog or the standard ones, Western as always fana. But question yange, are they really digital? By the way, they are mandatory. Yes, take and zigenda kubanga to upgrade from standard one oba analog gyobadde olina number plate eza bulijjo okufuna empya eya digital it's $15,000. Yes, wede owenye emmotoka yo nga kuliko number plate enkadde, so $15,000. Then aba boda zijja kuba $5,000. Then emmotoka empya ezijja ziyingira of course zijja kujja already nga bazitadeko number plates. That's hassle free. But in the question yange richi, wait, are they really digital? The answer is no, because I think media is trying to mislead people, alright? Because our Ministry of Transport, they emphasize ITMS is Intelligent Transport Monitoring System. So basically, they are just emphasis here with the trackers. They are tracking your vehicle. Bagana tekako number plate nenga ebayambako government ejiyambako okutrackinga emmotoka yo. So bagana bateka tracking devices, the GPS, that's a global positioning satellite. They use GPS, right? So bagana ko wabutekamo trackers, GPS trackers in the number plate so that emmotoka yo buli wamuweraga the government ebeso tracking. That's it. It's all about security issues. But then the countries like USA and other developed countries, for example, we have a digital number plate in this was in California. Yes, so digital plates is very smart. I know kubanga edina screen, for example, LCD screen, they can display images. For example, baso take a kono obulango, Coca-Cola or Pepsi while you are driving. At the same time, they can display warnings like accident ahead. Yes, and by the way, they have also an application, a smart app. You can install it on your phone. There's a plates so that you can track your car in real time. Or tracking a motor in real time, or in an event whether a motor a bitwa. Ekitali kuzina eza Uganda. In Uganda, only the government has enough access of tracking a motor, not you. That's where the whole point of security comes in for the government, but not for the individual. That's why Boba say Intelligent Transport Monitoring System. So these are not digital number plates, according to me. So they are just sorry about the the airplane noise. And you know company so sorry about that. So to me, I call them trackable number plates. Tells it digital, man. Yeah, that's it. So every time all the digital number plates in Uganda is referring to these trackable number plates. They are not digital. Digital number plates zibane screen. Yeah, zibane HD screen. They display images and at the same time they can be used to broadcast messages like